Here we go with another shout out Monday evening, and today we're gonna do a double feature, so see what this is all about. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And every once in a while we got to have a little fun, and that's what we're going to have on this one. It's going to be a double feature. Now the first one, I'm going to do a shout out for the kid that has done the cartoon character of me, and I'm going to do an unboxing, so let's see what this is all about right after this. If you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ding that bell, and that'll notify you whenever I have a new video coming out. So let's get started right now. Now let's take a look at who we're going to feature today. Alright, as you'll notice on my icon, I have a caricature of myself here, and I put it on my last video in the thumbnail. And I had this work done by ZArtwork Weekly Drawings. His name is Matt. He does some excellent drawings, and I think I showed a little bit of his channel last week. He's drawing some artwork for me, and I'm posting it on my channel, and I'm also helping him in return with his channel. So it's a two-way street. We're working together on this, and eventually I'm gonna have to pay for his artwork, and maybe eventually he'll have to pay for my advice. We'll see that down the road. But anyway, go take a look at ZArtwork. He does some amazing stuff, and if you talk to him, he might do some drawings for you also. But the most important thing about today is we're going to do an unboxing today, and it's a little bit long, so let's get going with it, and it has something to do with that right there. It's pretty big. It's a mouse! I got a mouse!
Oh no!
Oh geez! Look at that! That big box for just a mouse! Oh my goodness! Oh, what's this? Oh, this must be a keyboard. It says Alienware. It's from outer space. I'm gonna see what's in this box right now. This is a big box. Oh man. Man, this is from Aliens. My goodness. What is this in here? Oh, it's another box inside that one. Oh my goodness. Oh. I gotta put this down on the bench and see what this thing is. Such packaging. Man, that's heavy. There use two hands. Oh. Aliens. Oh, it's from Canada. Oh, okay. Let's see what this is. Seen it lag. It says M&M Rails. Ooh. To Tom K from Santa. Oh, I wonder what this is. Christmas all over. Whoa, look at that. I got pulp cards. I got pulp. Get in it. The bag. All right, there we go. Pulp card. And an extra pulp load. The one card that I have that I don't have pulp load. Now, Mark from M&M Rails. I got some work to do. Thank you, Mark. Thank you very much. My favorite pulp card. But I wish you would have packed it a little bit easier than this. This was a pain to get open. My goodness. Okay.